Hello, hi everyone. Thank you for staying tuned to my channel. My name is Xoxo, and today I will be talking about skin. And welcome if you're new. Please subscribe if you haven't, and if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing. God bless you. And today I'll be talking intensively about skin and how to take care of skin. And in case you don't know, I'm sure you haven't heard the buzz, or you have heard the buzz about skin types. Oh well, yes, I'm going to be intensively talking about skin types today, the type of skin that we have and how to take care of them individually or irrespective to the type of skin that you have. I'm also going to start with teaching you how to identify the type of skin that you have. Now, you're going to have your bath and allow your body to dry for 1 hour. After 1 hour and of washing your face or washing up your body, and you notice these symptoms or signs, it will actually help you to identify the kind of skin that you have. I'm going to be listing them one after the other. The first one is if you, after washing your face or washing your body or coming out of the bath, and your body allowing your body to dry up by itself for 1 hour, and you notice that you have dry patches, flaky and itchy and scaly, your face or your arm, your neck or your shoulder area, it definitely means that you have a dry skin. Now, if you come out of the bathroom after 1 hour of bathing or washing your face and you notice oil coming out of your skin, especially on your T-zone areas, it means that you have an oily skin. Me, for example, I have an oily skin. If you come out of after washing your face for 1 hour or having your bath for after 1 hour, and note please, after washing your face or having your bath for 1 hour, you do not rub any moisturizer. First, I need you guys to remember that we're trying to detect the kind of skin type that we have. So if you after washing your face or having your bath, whichever one you choose to do, is either you choose to wash your face. Yes, your face is really very fragile part of your body. It actually can tell the type of skin that you have really fast. So I prefer you washing your face off and wait for 1 hour. If you notice that you have reddish, very reddish signs in your face, or you're irritated, or it's bringing out some kind of reaction, or is irritating you, it means that you have a sensitive skin. Now, if you notice that that you have some part of your face are dry, some are feeling normal, some are feeling oily, it means that you have a combination skin. Combination skin is the combination of both, the two different type of skin type. Either you are having a dry and oily skin together, or you're having a normal and oily skin, or a dry and normal skin, or a sensitive skin and also a normal skin. Now, I hope that with this you've been able to detect your skin type by now, or after this video you can go wash up your face and allow it to dry for 1 hour and go back to watch the video and check and to determine or test for the type of skin that you have. Now, I'm going to be taking this skin type one after the other. First, I'm going to start with normal skin. Like the name implies, normal skin means everything is normal. There are no shiny patches, there are no dry scaly feeling. Everything is normal. There are little or no imperfections. You have an even skin tone that that doesn't react to anything at all. So yeah, guys, it simply means that you have a normal skin, and kudos to you guys for having a normal skin. If you have a normal skin, I envy you. Trust me, it's one of the best type of skin, and usually it's common with babies. Babies usually have normal skin, and some people grow up and do not change, and regardless, after puberty you tend to actually change your skin type. So that you notice that you have oily skin, a dry skin, a sensitive skin, or a combination skin. Some people are more likely to have normal skin than the older ones. Like I told you earlier, your babies have normal skin. Now, the difference the difference in your skin type actually depends on certain things. Now, how elastic your skin is, how much water is in your skin, and how oily it is will also determine how soft it is and how sensitive it is. So all of this actually gives you or determine the type of skin that you have. And normal skin also have a radiant complexion. If you notice, normal skin have a radiant complexion. They do not have spots, they do not have acne, they don't have severe sensitivity, they don't have reddish patches, they're not dry, everything is just normal. Now, combination skin. Now, your skin can be dry, at the same time it can be oily, at the same time it can be sensitive. It means that you have a combination skin, and usually you need to be careful while taking care of your skin if you have a combination skin, because it can really be confusing, and it can really intensify if you start using products that could aggravate one part, maybe the parts that are dry to become really dry, and the other part that are oily to become very oily. Combination skin can show red patches, can have black heads, just a little though, not so much. Now their pores are actually very large because of the combination, so it's really worrisome because you don't know products you use, you bringing out pimples, another part of your face is really smooth. Like I said in the word, combination of both your dry skin and your oily skin. Now your dry skin can have almost invisible pores. Now they have dull look. Your dry skin can really look dull, rough, flaky, and have patches, and most times you have more visible lines. Like if you see some people's face or their skin, it has some kind of line and can be very dry, it means that that person has a dry skin. Now I'm going to be sharing tips on how you can really take care of dry skin, or what can aggravate your skin to get really dry and even worsen it. First, your gene. It can actually be genetic. People who have dry skin can actually be genetic, can pass from one generation to another, from the mother to the child, from father to the child, or aging or hormonal changes. Aging can actually cause your skin to dry out, where you start having wrinkles and lines on your face. You can see most old people, they have lines on their face, their skins are very scaly. As you grow older, your skin can tend to get really dry, especially if you have a dry skin even when you're younger. Now you can weather condition I beg your pardon, can actually aggravate dry skin, such as wind, sun, or cold. During the harmattan, you have people who have dry skin complain their skin are very scaly, can even squeeze. If you notice people like that, it means that they have very dry skin. And also indoor heating. Like I'm in a room now and there's heat, so if you have a dry skin, you want to stay in a very cool environment. You want to avoid overheating. It actually worsens your skin. And then long hot baths and showers. Do not spend long time in the bathroom, because if you have dry skin, actually using hot water and then you're having fun, you're having your shower, you feel good. Guys, if you have a dry skin, just take a very short bath and leave the bathroom, and do not use hot water all the time. It's very important. It will dry out your skin and make it very hard for you, soft and subtle. So please you will want to really reduce your time you spend in the bathroom, and do not use hot water all the time. And ingredients in soap and cosmetics can actually aggravate or worsen dry skin. Now the reverse is the case when you want to take care of dry skin. Now what I've said that can worsen your skin, your dry skin, you just need to avoid it. Avoid indoor heating, avoid take shorter showers, and use mild soap, use mild toilet soap. Avoid indoor heating, avoid staying in overheated area, or during harmattan, use deep moisturizers. If you have dry skin, guys, please use deep moisturizers. When I mean deep moisturizers, like Vaseline, like shea butter, and always use it thoroughly, and probably have it in your bag or something, and always use it all the time when you feel dry, especially on your face, your neck, your arms. Please always use deep moisturizers or smooth on moisturizers. They really help to reduce the dryness of your skin. And take shorter showers, like I said before. Avoid overheated areas, and use wear gloves or when using cleaning agents such as bleaching agents or something. Those can actually dry out your skin. If you're a contractor, you're working with chemical, I beg your pardon, cement or something, do not touch those products or those things with your bare hands. Use gloves. It can worsen your dry skin, and your skin can even peel off, and really bad. Now, oily skin. I have an oily skin, so I can really talk intensively about it. Oily skin means you have an enlarged pores, you have dull or shiny thick complexion, you have blackheads, pimples, and other blemishes. If you know, before I used to really have lots of pimples, I have blackheads, I still even have little blackheads and here and there, and they're clearing up though. Yes, it gets better as the time goes on. And sometimes my face can be shiny, sometimes my face can be dull. Really oily, as the name implies, especially on your T-zones area, Now, oiliness can change depend upon the time of the year and weather. Now, shout out to everybody that have oily skin during the Harmattan. I'm sure you guys are always having fun, because your skin is always soft, subtle. I love my skin during the Harmattan, and I do not like my skin during the dry season or the sun, or when it's really when the sun is really high or the weather is really hot. I do not like my skin. My makeup don't last longer. That's why I use a lot of products to help contain or refrain oil from coming out really quick out of my face and breaking up my makeup. So that's why I love the Harmattan season. The Harmattan season, I don't use primer. I just go ahead and apply my makeup, and it lasts all day. It's natural primer. Guys, so yeah, if you have an oily skin, it means that you have blackheads, you have a possibility to bring up pimples, and have blemishes here and there. Not really intensive. Oily skin can really be intense and can be divided into different parts, but I'm not going to go there now. Where we have the acne and pimples prone skin, it's actually under the oily skin. Now, there are certain things that can worsen oily skin. Puberty. Sometimes as women, you can notice that when you're on your period, you're always having pimples or blackheads. It means that you probably have an oily skin. Hormonal imbalance, different things can affect an oily skin, can increase it or worsen it. Heat or too much humidity. I said that before. I don't like my skin when the weather is hot, or when I'm in a hot environment where there's no air condition or fan. My skin tends to really get oily. Now, taking care of an oily skin, wash your face not more than 1 or 2 times a day. Not more than 1 or 2 times a day. More than twice a day, morning and night. The same morning and night. Especially when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you should do, you get your soap, your face wash, or whichever soap you use for your face, and wash your skin before you start the day, even before you have your bath. It really helps to take off that excess oil. When you wake up in the morning, your face is really oily. It means that you have an oily skin, and you should wash your face up in the morning and at night before going to bed. And then use gentle cleansers, and do not scrub. Don't scrub your face all the time. If you have to scrub your face, you can do it once a week and use mild scrub. You don't use those intensive ones. It can actually aggravate your oily skin, trust me. And then do not pick, pop, or squeeze your pimples. I am guilty as charged. I really love to pick my pimples. I don't know, it's really exciting or interesting. Some people even tell other people, like, how to pick pimples. They come and pick my pimples, because I actually love to pick pimples or pop them. But I had to stop though, because it actually worsened my pimples and my blackheads. So I really had to, discipline myself in that aspect to make sure and ensure that I stopped picking my pimples, and I saw the result. So guys, stop picking, popping and squeezing your pimples. It will aggravate your blackheads and pimples, and they will take longer time to heal. Now, look for a non-comedogenic word in terms of your beauty product. When you're buying your beauty product, look for that word, guys. I'm going to write it down and for you to see. I don't want to mention it again. So of course, it means that it won't clog your pores. That non-comedogenic products means that it won't clog your pores. So when your pores are open, it gives room for you, your moisturizers or cleansers that you're using to work better for you, and in other words, enhance your oily skin and make you manage it very well. And also I'm going to be talking about sensitive skin. I think I've talked about combination skin, dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, and now I'm talking about sensitive skin. Sensitive skin can show up as reddishness, itching, burning, or dryness. Now some people can just be having your face like my face is burning, or you use some product, or sometimes I'm a makeup artist. I've met clients that will say, I have a sensitive skin, what kind of product do you use? Because they don't want anything that will react on their face, or they give me their products for me to use for them, or especially their brushes and all. So if you have a sensitive skin, you want to be careful of certain things that you do, the products that you use, even these brushes and all that you use on your face. If you have a sensitive skin, it means that you can easily react to these things, and this reaction can cause reddiness, can cause itching, can cause burning. And sometimes if you know that you have a sensitive skin, try and find out what triggers it and avoid it. Sometimes in this part of the world, we don't really take allergies seriously. A lot of people are allergic to certain things, and then they have sensitive skin and it shows up in their face or in their skin. So you need to be careful what triggers your sensitivity and avoid it. And there are many possible reasons, but it's often it's cosmetic product that actually causes your skin to react to certain things. Now you need to be careful. If you want to buy skin products, I always tell people, don't just buy a product because Auntie A or Mr. B is using it, is working for the person. Please take your time out to read through the ingredients. Or sometimes some products are really nice, or really good at what they do, so they will specify that sensitive skin only, or suitable for oily skin, or suitable for dry skin, or some will even say dry skin only, oily skin only, sensitive skin only. So look for products that indicate such, and then find the one that best suits your skin type and use it. Now in this video, I'm going to give you guys 6 basic skincare tips that can actually work for you, whether you have normal, oily, sensitive, combination skin, or dry skin. These skincare tips, if you follow it through, it will work for you and will keep your skin looking bright and healthy. First, use a broad spectrum sunscreen that blocks UVA and UVB rays. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen. Always wear a sunscreen, or find products that contain sunscreen and SPF and use them. It will help. Avoid sunlight as number 2. Avoid sunlight. Do not smoke. If you smoke, it affects your skin. Avoid direct sunlight. Use your sunglasses, use your hat, and again, stay hydrated. Drink water. The elasticity of your skin depends on how much water is in your skin, and if you have enough water in your skin and you're always hydrated, you have a glowing skin. You avoid blemishes, you avoid breakouts, you avoid pimples and all of that, and you avoid over dryness, and even avoid too much oil. And sometimes a little bit of oil can help your skin to be very soft. So all of these actually are agents that can really help your skin to glow. Now wash your skin properly, thoroughly, and gently. Wash your skin gently but thoroughly. Use products that best suits the type of skin that you have. Look for products that best suit dry skin. Dry skin most times use products that have oil or more deep moisturizers, or deep that could help them help them with their dryness. While oily skin, have products that can help reduce the oil in your skin. Just look for products that are actually best suitable for the type of skin that you have and use them. And never wear makeup to bed. Ladies, always clean your face. You have lots of cleansers that you can apply on your face, or your face wipe, and wipe off your skin properly, and you gently scrub, and then use your cleanser and your toner, and then before going to bed. Do not wear makeup to bed. These cosmetics can go into your skin. If you have a sensitive skin, you can react to it and it's to get worse. And always moisturize. I cannot overemphasize that. No matter the type of skin that you have to moisturize your skin all the time. It is of necessity that you moisturize your skin. Find the moisturizer that best suits your skin type and use it. Find a moisturizer that best suits your skin type and use it. Like I said, dry skin, use deep moisturizers, ointment, Vaseline, shea butter. Use it. They contain deep moisturizers, so you should use them. And then oily skin, find moisturizers that best work and that help to contain your oil. Sensitive skin, use moisturizers that won't aggravate your sensitivity. And then combination skin, look for moisturizer that can help work in terms of combining the type of skin, that the two type of skin that you have combined together. To just look for moisturizer that's good, but always moisturize. Don't say I have an oily skin, I can't moisturize. No, you have to moisturize an oily skin, whether your oil is so much or not. Moisturizing really even helps your skin better. Yes, I think that's all. So those 6 type basic skincare routine I just gave you will work for any type of skin that you have. I hope by now you're able to identify the type of skin that you have and are able to also understand your type of skin and know the kind of product that you use and how to actually manage your skin. So guys, this is the end of this video for today. I hope you guys have fun. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Please, you can comment. I don't know everything. I have to make research and yes, to make this video. So if you have any ideas or you feel you know more that you can share with us, please guys, just comment down. Make your comments on the comment section and make sure you like this video and watch this video and share this video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. God bless you. I see you so, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.